Hello everyone, welcome back to Marketing Stud. In this video, we will be learning about Quora. So let's see the agenda first. So we will start off by knowing what is Quora. Then we'll see why do we use Quora, and we will see various features of Quora as well. Then we'll see how to do marketing on Quora. And then lastly, we will see a hands-on on how to create a Quora account, how to ask a question on Quora, how to answer a question on Quora, and how to do marketing on Quora. Alright, let's start the video then. So what is Quora? Quora is a question and answer website where questions are asked, answered, edited, and organized by its community of users in the form of opinions. Now what does this mean? In simple words, it means it's a website where questions are asked and answers are given. Now you must be wondering who asks questions and who answers those questions, right? So questions are asked by anyone. You can ask question, I can ask question, anyone can ask question on that website, and the people who has knowledge about those questions or expert in that topic answers them. Now another question is, why do people answer on the questions asked by you or anyone? Because they feel good when they share their knowledge. Okay. Now let's see what kind of question you can ask. So you can ask any questions related to technology, science, movies, music, health, business, photography, sports, marketing, politics. In fact, anything you want to ask on Quora, you can ask. Quite interesting, no? Now let's see why to use Quora. So the first reason is because it is continuously growing and the number of users generated questions and answers are increasing with lakhs of new questions every day. Second, you can use Quora as a resource for research. In case if you need an expert answer on any research topic, you can ask on Quora or even directly tag the person you think is the best to answer. Third, it's a major source of information and daily happenings. You can get to know what all is happening across the globe on different topics. Fourth, you can know celebrities' opinion. People like Richard Muller, Barack Obama, and other influencers have Quora accounts and they use them too. Fifth, you can build your own social network by answering questions on Quora. Sixth, you can also find opportunities on Quora by knowing what's happening in your field. Okay, so these are some of the reasons why you should use Quora. Now let's see Quora for marketing. So first we will see why to use Quora for marketing, and later we will see a hands-on demo on Quora and how to do marketing on Quora. Alright. So the first reason is Quora helps consumer or prospects discover your brand. When you provide answers to users' question and make a conversation on topics related to your industry, it allows you to build a reputation for your brand as an authority and demonstrate your expertise. And once your brand is built, it becomes easy to gain trust. Second is Quora helps you learn more about your target audience. So when you browse Quora and see what your target audience is asking, you get to know their requirements or problems. So basically, it helps you learn your target audience behavior. Next is Quora posts appear in various search engine results. When search engine sites like Google, Bing, Yahoo searches for a keyword and it crawls websites, it considers Quora as well. And if your answer has the matched keyword, it results on Google search pages as well. You can also discover and understand industry influencers and know their insight, what they think about a topic. So this is also one reason why you can use Quora for marketing. It helps you stay on top of the trends. Quora can also be a great tool for service and reputation management. You get to see what your customers are talking about and you can cater to their problems if they are facing any. Okay. It's a fantastic tool for learning competitor insights. You can get to know easily what your competitor is doing and how you can also improve your business or service. Last but not the least, Quora is great for content ideation. Since it's a question answer website, you can find what people are looking for on a particular topic and you can create your content and market your product or service. Alright, so these are some of the top reasons why you should use Quora. Now let's see a hands-on and know how you can start on Quora. Okay. So let me open a browser. Fine, so this is Firefox. Now in the search bar, I'll type Quora, Quora.com. Now this is the website, guys. So if you are a new user, you need to sign up first. You can sign up from Google account if you have, or a Facebook account. Okay, you can see here, continue with Google, continue with Facebook. So I'll continue with Google. I'll enter my email ID, then password. Okay, now once you enter your email ID and password, Quora will ask you for your interest. So you need to choose at least 10 topics to continue. Okay, so I'll choose like technology, science, music, business, books, photography, writing, marketing. You can scroll down as well, education, technology, startup. Okay, and then I'll click continue. So once you click on the continue, this is how it will look. This is the website, Quora website. Okay, now you can scroll and then see the questions. Here you can see the profile section. If you click here, you will see all the options like profile, blogs, messages, your content, stats, create ad, setting. So I'll click on the profile. So this is my profile. This section is the name and then profile credential. And if you want to write a description about yourself, you can write here. You can add your employment status here, education credential here, and your location. And this is knows about. If you knows about any particular topic, you just click on this, and then you can search your topic and then add. Like suppose if you want to add marketing, if you know marketing, just click on this. It will give you some suggestions. Okay, so this was marketing. Clicked and then click on done. Now you can see this marketing has been added on my profile. Here you can see all the options like how many answers have you written, how many questions have you asked, shares, what all answers you have shared, spaces, post, how many posts have you made, blogs, how many followers you are, how many people you are following here, edits, activity, all your activity will be here in this section. Now since I have not written any answer, so this section is empty. Now this is your profile. You can edit your photo here and you can upload your photo here. So this is your profile. Now I'll tell you how to ask a question on Quora. So you just need to click on home. Okay, so now suppose you want to ask a question on Quora. So how you will ask a question? So this is the section where you can ask your question. Like if you click on this, what is your question or link? Just click on this. Now it is saying there are a few tips you need to consider before asking a question. Make sure your question has not been asked already. If it is asked already, Quora will not allow you to ask the same question. Keep your question short and to the point. Double check grammar and spelling. Okay, so here you can ask your question. Whatever is there in your mind, you can ask here. Okay, and then click on add question. The question will be added. So this is how you can ask a question. Now suppose if you want to answer a question on Quora. Now see, this is one question. What are the ugly sides of being a model? So if it is related to your interest, if you want to answer on this, just click on this question. Now you see there are 3 people who have answered on this question. Okay, if you want to answer on this question, just click on this answer and then write your answer, whatever you want to write. Okay, if you want to add a photo in the answer, just click on this and then you can add your photo also from your system. If you want to give a link in your answer, just click on this and then you can enter the URL as well. Okay, this is for video. If you click on this, you can select any video if you want in your answer, and then if you click on the submit, your answer will be submitted on this question. What are the ugly sides of being a model? So I'll close this for now. So this is how you can answer a question on Quora. Okay, If you want to search a question, you can search here in this search bar. You can see here search Quora. So if you want to know something like best YouTube channel for share market, and then press enter. You can click here also search. Now these are the questions related to what I searched, like best YouTube channel for share market. Okay, so you can see this question: what are the best YouTube channels for gaining knowledge of investment and share market strategies? So 5 answers are given for this question. Okay, now you can see this question: what are the best ways to promote a YouTube channel? So there are 475 answers. Okay, what are some of the best YouTube channels on the Indian share market? Now you can see what are the best YouTube websites where I can learn about shares or the stock market. So there are 5 answers. So you just need to click on this. You can see people have answered on this. Like see this Boni C. Anthony, he has given an answer. Anupam Thakur. So these people have given their answer on the question, what are the best YouTube website where I can learn about shares or the stock market? So this is how you can search any question, whatever is there in your mind, you can search. Okay, and the Quora will give you the related questions. Now, how you can do marketing on Quora? This is a very interesting thing. Suppose you have a business of shoes, okay, and you have a website. So now what you can do is, suppose if someone has asked question like which is the best website to buy sports shoes, okay, you can see here which is the best website to buy football shoes in India. I'll open this in a new tab. There is one more question: which website is best to buy sports shoes? Open new in a new tab. Now you can see, so there are 10 answers on this question. This answer was given in 2017 by Learn Earn. Okay, this answer is given by Nikhil Sareen, founder and CEO. Now you can see how this person has drafted the answer. So he has given 3 links. So if you just put the cursor here, you can see this is a schoolcard.com website. So if you click on this, schoolcard.com will open. Okay, so here you can buy shoes as well. You can see all the brands shoes. Again, let's go back to the answer. So he has given 3 links of his website and then a picture of a sports shoe. Okay, so this is how this person is doing marketing of his website. Okay, if you have a website, or if you are a business owner, or if you are doing any kind of marketing, this is how you can do marketing on Quora. So you can write an answer, give links to your product or your website, or you can also give, if you do not have a website, you can give your contact details in the answer. Like if you see this person, check football shoes here from zevenworld.com. Okay, and then he has talked about the features, all the features like boot, soft, lightweight, textured and flexible synthetic PU uppers, and then one picture so that this answer looks attractive. So this is how people are doing marketing on Quora. Okay, they are giving links of their website, they are giving pictures of the product in the answer. If you click on the link, you will be redirected to their website and then you might make a purchase. Okay, so this is how people are doing the marketing on Quora. Alright guys, so this is it for now. We will learn more about Quora in the next video and we will see how to do paid marketing in Quora in detail. Subscribe to Marketing Stud so that you never miss a video on marketing. And also write down any question you have in the comment section and I'll answer them at the earliest. So see you guys in the next video. Thank you.